ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरो। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तः शान्तः शान्तिः। अलोन्त्यस्य अनेकाल्शित् सर्वस्य आदेहे परस्य ञच्च येन विधिस्तदन्तस्य. So we have seen alontyasya, anekalshit sarvasya we are seeing. Okay.
Yes.
What is the condition for this paribhasha to apply alontyasya? Just till your understanding.
You should have
the four sutras. If you see the four sutra, this sutra only anekal talking about. It talks about anekal. Anekal adesha. So this sutra talks about the adesha which is ekal. That is adesha which is ekal. Adesha. It will come in the. It will replace the last letter of the sthani. That's the meaning. Antyasya. Antyasya is end.
Yes.
Sarvasya, it means all. Right? Sarvasya is all. So Antyasya. So Antyasya means if Adesha is Ekal, Sthani, if it is Anekal, then last letter of the Sthani will be replaced. Now if suppose if Adesha is Anekal, see, Adesha is Ekal, only one letter, only one letter is there. Therefore, it will replace the last letter of the sthani. One person, one chair. Remember,
Yes.
like many people have come many chairs. If it is anekal, then it will replace the entire sthani. Sthani consisting of many letters, anekal. So that is the main rule. One person, one chair, one chair. Many people, many chairs. That is Utsarga. Ekal Adesha, one lettered Adesha will replace the last letter of the Sthani. One Antyasya. Replace the only one letter, which is the last letter of the Sthani. That's why I said one man, one chair. Anekal Adesha, many, the Adesha which has many letters will replace a Sthani which has many letters. This is general. Now the question comes. Suppose I want to replace the entire Sthani, but with one Adesha. Similarly, I want to replace the last letter of the Sthani, and the Adesha is Anekal. So what will I do? For that only the other, that Ith letters are given. Ith letter, Shit, Shakara as Ith letter, Nakara as Ith letter is given only for that purpose. General list, Ekaladesha, Antyasya Sthane. Anekaladesha, Sarvasya Sthane. That must be clear. One man, one chair, many people, many chairs.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, there may be situations where Ekaladesha may require to be replaced the entire Sthani. Or Anekaladesha may be required to replace the last letter of the Sthani. In that case, what we do? In that case, we cannot apply Ekal Sthani, Ekal Adesha, Antyasya Sthani, we cannot apply. We want Ekal Adesha to replace the entire Sthani. Similarly, Anekal Adesha, what we said in the beginning, Sarvasya Sthani. But we want that to be replaced the last letter of the Sthani. In that case, what we'll do? That is why we have the Ith letter. Shakara is as Ith letter, Nakara as Ith letter. You understand? I'll show you now, you will become clear.
Yes.
The last class unnecessary, I took in other things which are not required, unnecessary. The simple thing is to see this. Understand? Ekal Adesha will replace Antyasya Sthane. Very clear, right?
Yes.
Anekal Adesha, Sarvasya Sthane. Now, Ekal Adesha. But the Adesha is Shit Adesha. Shit means Adesha having Shakara as the Ith letter. This feature. That is why this paribhasha is there. If Shit as Adesha is there, even though it is Ekal, it will replace the entire Sthani, Anekal Sthani. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, Anekala Adesha. Anekala Adesha, Sarvasya Sthani we said. But Anekala Adesha, but it is a Nit Adesha, then it will replace the last letter of the Sthani. Understand?
Yes.
We'll see examples, it will become clear. The first one, Ekaladesha Antyasya Sthani. This is given by the sutra, Alontyasya.
Yes.
Right? This is given by the sutra, Alontyasya. And Anekal Adesha, Sarvasya Sthani, which is given by what sutra?
Nekalshit Sarvasya.
Anekal Shit Sarvasya, where Anekal is there. Anekal Sarvasya Sthane. Right?
Yes.
Anekal Sarvasya Sthane. Now, if it is Ekal, Shit Sarvasya Sthane, that is why we require. If it is Ekal, but it is Shit, this is then it will replace the entire Sthani. By what sutra?
Nekalshit Sarvasya.
Anekal Shit Sarvasya Sthane. Exactly. Understand?
Yes.
But Adesha is Anekal, but I want to replace the last letter of the Sthani. Then for that, the sutram is there, Nicha, which we have to see yet. They're not seen. 1153. Understand?
Yes.
This is what the thing is. Now, what I say is, based on this, you see, ekal antyasya sthani, right?
Yes.
So here we don't have any problem. But if it is anekal, the question comes. If it is anekal, then what will happen? Then we have to see anekal, fine. Whether it is Ngit or Agit, because here Anekal, Angit is there, that's a Ngit is there. If it is Anekal, Agit, then Sarvasya Sthani. This is what within bracket I put in my notes, Agit, Agit. If it is Anekal, not Agit, Sarvasya Sthani. If it is Git, Antyasya Sthani. You understand?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Similarly, Ekal, Antyasya Sthani, fine. This is not a shit, ashit. If it is shit, Sarvasya Sthani. You understand?
Yes.
So the same thing now I can say, Ekal Antyasya Sthane means, can I say it is as Ashit?
Yes.
Yes? Yeah. Anekala Desha, but Sarvasya Sthani. Then here you can say it is Agnyit.
Mm-hmm.
Though the sutra doesn't say, just I made like that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It is understood. Whether it is Agnyit, not there or not, it is understood. That's the intelligence of Pani Maharishi. By just saying shit and Agnyit, the other Adesha, where it's not it is understood. Okay.
Yes.
Maybe then bracket I will write so that you don't confuse this with the sutra message. This is what in all my notes examples within bracket Agnyat I wrote. Okay, I forgot this a long back I taught. After that I didn't never saw that in my notes. I forgot. So that's why last class I was trying to do different combination, but it is unnecessary. Ekal adesha antyasya sthane, anekal adesha sarvasya sthane. Done. But ekal, I want to replace the entire sthani. Then what you do? You make it as a shit adesha. It will replace the entire sthani. Simple. That's what Pani Maharishi has done. Similarly, there is anekal adesha is there. But I want to replace the last letter of the sthani, not the entire sthani. You make it git. You understand?
Yes.
By making shit and shit, you can achieve this. If that is so, then what about this? These two? This is ashit, this is angit. Fine. Understand the logic. This is what in my example I have written Ekaladesha, Ashit and all. Why? Ekaladesha, it will replace where? What it will replace? The example, Ishu, Gami, Yamam, Chaha, it will replace the last letter of the sthani. Right?
Yes.
Ekaladesha, it is not Ashita Desha. Therefore, Ashit I said. Okay. As here I have made it. Ashit, the first point.
Yes.
That's why within bracket Ashit I have written. So Ekala Desha replacing the last letter of the sthani. Ishugami Yamam Chaka. This example what we saw for Alontyasya. Remember? Similarly, the Gam Dhatu also. Ekala Desha it is Ashit. I can say Ashit. Now you follow Ashit, right?
Yes.
If they say Ashit, you can understand. Yes, good. Because later I will give a flowchart based on that. Or a flowchart now itself I can draw and then explain that. Sayogantasya lopaha. Sayogantasya is, okay, this is Antyasya alaha. Anekal sthani. Ekal adesha is ekal. Therefore, ashit, it will replace the last letter of the sthani. Right? Lopaha is not ashit, last letter. These examples are more than enough. Similarly, apatanta. Adesha is lopaha. Sayogantasya lopaha. Replace the last letter of the sthani. Ashit adesha. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, do. Sthani adesha is anekal. What is adesha? Adesha is u. Is it a shit? No. The sutra, if you see, divaha ut. Div vakara, at the end of the padam of the shabda div will be replaced by u. That's a rule. It's a sutram. So u is not a shit adesha, ekala adesha, shit adesha. Therefore, it will replace the last letter of the sthani, which is vakara. Therefore, the tritya vibhakti dvivachanam, you get Tibhyam Tritiya Dvivachanam, or Chaturthi Dvivachanam, or Panchami Dvivachanam. Understand?
Yes.
All these are example for Ekaladesha. So Ekaladesha, Antyasya, we can remember the sutra doesn't say Ashit, but we can know it is Ashit by the logic what is said here. Remember, Ekaladesha, Ekal Sthani, one man, one chair. Adesha is Shakara, as if the letter is not there. We can infer that, I'm saying. Similarly, now the next sutra is. So now it must be clear what I say. Now, Anekal Shit Sarvasya, you see. Examples. Sutra we can say Aster Bhuhu, we saw. This example. Asdhatu will be replaced by Bhu when followed by Adadhatu Pratyaya. You need to remember the examples. Okay. Now, Asdhatu, fine. Adesha is not Ekal, sorry. Anekal Adesha, the mistake. Anekal Adesha. Anekal Adesha, is it Shit? Is it what Adesha? Anekal Adesha, what did we say? Anekal Adesha will replace the entire Sthani, Sarvasya Sthane.
Yes.
Right? Therefore, I put it as a Agnyat. Replace the entire Sthani. Anekaladesha will replace the entire Sthani. You see, Anekaladesha, many people, many child. Anekaladesha, Agnyata. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Then the next example, Astelbu, whoever. Then. So, this 4 points you remember. How I made it Ashit Agnyat. I hope you understand the logic. If you remember this entire thing is simple. Now, the next example, Jiacha, this also we saw. So this is all unnecessary, not required. Because I'll remove it. Whatever I said, that itself is enough. That's what, in fact, the entire thing talks about. Okay. I will take some time to draw a flowchart. Then it will become more easy. You'll understand. It's like, it's like something. I didn't get time to draw it. I will try to do it. Now, I'll explain it to further example and then I will do it. Become clear. The flowchart.
Yes.
Maybe at the end of the class. Now, Jyacha, one sutram is there. Prashasya is a sthani, Anekal sthani. It has to be replaced by Jya, the sutra. Now, Adesha is what? Anekal Adesha. What did we say? Anekal Adesha, many people, many chairs. Therefore, it will replace the entire sthani. Understand? Anekal. It's not Ekal. Ekal by mistake I have written. So, Anekal Adesha will replace the entire sthani.
Yes.
Therefore, Prashasya is replaced by, within bracket I am putting as a Agnyat. You can note. Agnyat. Why Agnyat I am putting? Because if it is Anekal Adesha, it's going to replace the entire Adesha, entire Sthani. If it is a Ekal Adesha and if it is a Shit, if it is a Ekal Adesha, it will replace the entire Sthani. But it is not. It is, if it is a Nyat, it will replace the last letter. It is not. Therefore, Agnyat. We don't have to put Shit here because if it is a Shit, even if it is an Ekal, it will replace the entire Sthani. That is what the sutra says, Anekal Shit Sarvasya. Therefore, it is unnecessary to put here, it has a Shit. But if I put, it is not a Git, it makes sure that doesn't replace the last letter of the Sthani. You understand? That's why negative is there.
Yes.
You need to think little to understand the beauty of the sutra, how intelligently this is, paribhasha is done. Now, this example we saw. Now, the next example is I have given a lot of other thing. Okay, I think this example we will see later after seeing some sutra, not now. Now, this example you can take. Tastas tamipam tantan tamaha. In our class itself, I think I have told this one. Tastas tamipam, it's called dancing sutra. Tastas tamipam tantan. What is tas? Tip tasji, sip tasta. That is what tas. So, thus, tha, mit. What are these? What is thus? Prathama Purusha,
Dvivachanam.
Dvivachana Pratyaya. That is what thus is. Understand?
Yes.
And thus is
Is do, Madhyama Purusha.
yes. Which is Madhyama Purusha, Dvivachanam. And tha is Madhyama Purusha, Bhagavachanam.
Bhagavachanam, yes.
And mit is Uttama Purusha, Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
That will be replaced correspondingly by. That will be replaced correspondingly by these four, right? Will be replaced correspondingly by tam, tam, ta, This is what the sutra says.
Yes.
Understand? So it means thus will be replaced by
Tam.
So thus is ekal adesha, ekal stani or anekal stani.
Anekal.
Forget about stani, whatever may be, doesn't matter. You see the adesha alone. Adesha is ekal adesha or anekal adesha.
Anekal.
Aneka, is it a ngit? Is it a ngit adesha? No. Therefore, it will replace the entire stani. Why I'm saying is, if it is a ngit, it will replace the last letter of the stani. Ankyasya. Then what about tam? Ekal adesha or anekal adesha?
Anekal.
Therefore,
Anit.
Agit, therefore git. If it is git, it will replace the last letter of the stani, that is sakara. But it is not. Therefore, it replaces the entire stani. Thus.
Yes.
Right? Then what is the next one? Ta. Tell me, is it ekal or anekal?
Anekal adesha.
Takara plus anekal. And also it is not a git. If it is a git, it will replace the last letter akara of the stani. But here it is not. It will replace the entire stani. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, what is the last one? Adesha.
Anekal adesha. Angit.
Angit. Therefore, it will replace the
Sarvasya.
Sarvasya stani. You understand the logic behind this? Simple. Yes. So, tas tamipam. That is why, when does it happen? When nit follows. That is why in Langlakara, what we have? Takara, tam, an. You understand? Sakara, tam, ta, va, ma. Remember the pratyas. Langlakara. Because lang is a ngit lakara. Similarly, not in lot lakara. Lot is also like langvat when sutram is there. Therefore, lot also like lotaha langvat lang lakara. That is why in lot lakara also we have tu tamantu. Then tamta aniyava ama. Remember. So this replacement you will see for lang lakara, lot lakara, ling lakara, all the git lakara you will see.
I didn't understand why lot is lot neat.
Lot is not git, but there is a sutram which says lot is also like a lung, therefore lot will take.
Understand.
Indirectly. Lotaha lung with one sutram is there. Please see sutra pata. So that you know, lotaha lung with, we will see that sutra later. That's all we are going to see. That is why we in this order we learn letter, lung, lot and ling. Yeah. So the third chapter, fourth section, at the end we have this. Do you see the sutra? Lotaha langvat. Where is that? Find out.
85.
Yeah. What is that? Loto langvat means what? Lot is like the lang lakara.
Yes.
Therefore, therefore the sutra. Tas tas tamipan tan tan tamaha. The sutram is here. Where is that? Sorry, here. (101). You see the right side?
Yes.
That's the sutra what we are saying. Tam anekaladesha, replace the entire sthani. All anekaladesha. Therefore, replace the entire sthani. Understand? It's a good example. Anekal, right? And why we are in tam for thus, tam for thus, ta for tha, for mit, because we have a paribhasha. Yata sankham anudesha samana 1310. Number of 4 chairs, 4 people have come. 1 to 1, I'd make them sit. That's the same. Understand? Similarly, another example. This is a long sutra. But good to know the sutra. Because we use, without knowing, apply this we are doing this. Pa, gra, dma. Pa is one dhatu. Pa dhatu. Gra, dma, sta dhatu. Remember? Tishtati.
Yes.
Pa is pibati. Gra, jigrati. Dma, dhamati. Like that. Na, dhan, drishya. Drishya becomes pashyati, right? Drishya dhatu. Then arti, sarti, shada, sadam. All the, how many dhatus are there? Many dhatus are there here. They are replaced by when followed by shit pratyaya. So rule. Shit is coming as anuvritti. Shiti pare. It will be replaced correspondingly by piba, jigra, dhama, tishta, mana, yacha, pashya, richa, dau, shiya, sida. That is, pa will be replaced by piba. Understand?
Yes.
This is a sutra.
Now,
Pa plus, huh?
now a lot of things makes sense now.
I said no, it's all matter of time. It will come, you will understand in time. Okay.
Yes.
So pa dhatu, when pa dhatu, first conjugation. Therefore, when followed by shap, of course, shap follows. When followed by shap, what will happen? Pa will be replaced by pib only. That's why pibati you get, not pati. Right? I will write what are the dhatus here so that you can understand. What are the dhatus? We have the dhatus like pa. Then I will write like this. Anyway, I have written here for your understanding. Va, sta, na, then dan, drish, drishya, drishi dhatu actually. It is drishi. Dhatu drishir. Dhatu drishir dhatu. Then arti. Then sarti. Then we have shad and sad. This is shadle dhatu. This is shadle dhatu. Upanishad words come from this dhatu only. Shadle. Okay. So we have pa will be replaced by pib. When pa will be replaced by pibha, pibati. Gra will be replaced by jigra. Dma will be replaced by dama. Understand? Sta will be replaced by
That
tishta.
dhamma is dhamma or drama, you said.
Dhama, damati.
Okay.
Dhama. Then na will be replaced by na. Na will be replaced by mana. Dan will be replaced by yacha. Remember, yachati. Right?
Yes.
Then after that, what is there? Drishi, drish dhatu will be replaced by pashya. Arti is ridhatu. Ridhatu, it is arti. Arti stands for ridhatu. Maybe I will write like this. I like the dhatu, so the ru will be replaced by rich sarti. Sarti will be replaced by arti by richa, sarti by dhau. Okay, yes. Then by richa, dhau. Shadra will be replaced by Shadra will be replaced by Shia, and Shadla will be replaced by Seed, Saru. Understand?
Yes.
Actually, this is not Sarti is for Dhatu Desha. I'll make it a Sru Dhatu. Sru means to move. That is replaced by Dau. Replaced by Dau means what? Replaced by Dau means?
Sarvas.
No. Replaced by Dau. First conjugation. Dau plus Sha plus Tip. Then what will happen? Au plus A. What's in the? Becomes Dav. That's what Davati you get.
Yes.
Davati runs, moves. Understand? Actually, it is Dav. Understand? So now you see. This is all Adesha. Anekal or Ekal? All the Adesha.
Anekal.
Therefore,
Sarvasya.
Sarvasya Stane. If it is Nyat, Antyasya Stane. It is not Nyat. All are Anyat. Understand?
Yes.
Therefore, replace the entire Stani. That's why you get Pa becomes Vibhati, right? Gra becomes Jigrati. Only Lat Lakara I'm doing. We can do same thing can do for Lang Lakara because Lang Lakara also Shap follows, right?
Yes.
Then Dan will become Yachati. There is no Dhatu Yach. Please note. Dan is replaced by Yach. Then Sad, Sidati. So this is important Dhatu from which the word Upanishad comes. Sidanti mama gatrani mukam cha parishishyati vepatuscha sharire me romaharscha jayate. In Gita also it is there. Sidati means sits. Then Shad is also in the sense of the same sense as Shadra. Shiyati. Understand?
Yes.
This is a good example. Next example for all these are Anekal. Next example for Shit Adesha. You see, interesting. I will show you. Just Shasoho. What is Just and Shasoho? Just Shashoho Shihi, the Sutra. What is Just and what is Shas? Just tell me.
Understand. They are pratyayas. So
What? Which pratyaya for which Just and Shas are important? They are called what?
Just.
They are Sarvanama Sthana pratyaya for Napumsakalinga. Remember? You remember? For Pullinga and Srilinga, Su out, just out. For Napumsakalinga, it is Just and Shas. We have seen some context. Remember? Marut
Yes.
Shabda, in fact, I show the declension. You can see that. Su out, just out. These 5 Sut pratyas are called Sarvanamasthana pratyaya for Pullinga and Strilinga. Understand?
Yes.
The pratyas are called. Whereas for Napumsakalinga, 1, 3 and 2, 3 are called Sarvanamasthana pratyaya. So Jas and Shas. Understand?
Yes.
So that is what the sutra here says. Now, I will explain the sutra a little later, but before that, I'll say some things. It will be interesting, then you will follow what I'm saying. One minute. Can you decline Pala Shabda?
Pala.
Pala.
Palam, pali, palani.
Palam Pale.
Palani.
How you get, what is the Pratyaya? What is the Pratipadikam? Pala.
Pala. Yes.
Pala plus Sum. Then Pala plus Au. Then Pala plus
Yes.
Jas. Right?
Yes.
Similarly, Pala plus Su or Jas. Out.
Shas.
Shas. For Napumsakalinga, please see. When the Pratipadikam ending with Akara, right? Followed by Su and both will be replaced by The rule. We are not interested in that rule. Okay, just tell it. Then after that, A plus A, what will happen? You can do Parasavana Sandhi. It's actually another rule is there, but you can understand Parasavana Sandhi. That's not a problem because I think I taught you Ami Purvaha, right?
Yes.
Ami Purvaha. Did I teach you in Sandhi contest? You have to see the Sandhi Sutra. If follows, always Pura Paryoho Para Varnaha Adesha Bhavati. Sutram is there. Ami Purvaha. That is Sutra. When follows, right? Purva and Para will be replaced by Para, that A. So A plus A will become A, therefore Palam. Understand?
Yes.
Right. Now, O and out are there. We have another sutra. By that, what will happen? This will be replaced by 1, 2 and 2, 2 will be replaced by the rule. She will be replaced by she. Okay. Is a rule. Will be replaced by she. Now, where Shakara we can take it as
It.
with the letter. The content is only E.
Yes.
Now, this is what Adesha?
Ekal.
Ekal. And also shit happens to be shit.
Yes. Ekal shit.
Because it is shit. Therefore, it will replace the ente stani, sarvasya stane. How anyway it is Ekal, no problem. So the whole thing will be replaced by E, we can say, right?
Yes.
Content of she is E. Here we don't see any big thing because Adesha is also Ekal. Stani is also Ekal. Therefore, and Stani is Ekal, but shit Adesha, right?
Mm-hmm.
But in Chit Adesha, it will replace the entire. But where is entire? Only one lettered Stani. But here, you see, just and shas. Content is, okay, just and shas. Ekal and Ekal. Stani.
Anikal.
Yes. But here we have another Adesha. It will be replaced by she. She is Shit Adesha. Ekal and Ekal.
Anikal.
Content is E. Therefore, this E, Ekal Adesha will replace, and Shit Adesha will replace
Sarvasya.
Sarvasya. Therefore, entire just will be replaced by E. You understand?
Yes.
This is where the Shit Adesha. Here you don't see that significance, but here it happens, right?
Yes.
Now, this is what our paribhasha is. Now, A plus E, what's Sandhi?
Pali.
Exactly, that is why Pale we have. A
Yes.
plus E, what's Sandhi?
Pali.
Pale. And here?
Should be also Pali.
No, but here, this is Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya follows. That's why Sarvanama Sthana is important.
Mm.
When Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya follows, then Num Agama will come, it's a rule. Then after that, when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, after Num, Upada will become Dirgha, another rule. Therefore, you have Palani, Palam Pale Palani, understand?
Yes.
That is why Sarvanamasthana is very important. When Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, Num agama will come, and after num agama, upada dirgatvam bhavati. Understand?
Yes.
Now, this is just to tell you. Now you say palam pale palani. That's how palam pale palani is derived. Now see the example. Just ashoho shihi. Napumsaka. Napumsaka means napumsakat pratipadika. Okay.
Yes.
Napumsaka pratipadika. Just and shas, which are sarvanama sthana pratyaya, will be replaced by shihi. Shihi is ekal adesha and shit adesha. Sthani is anekal sthani. Therefore, being shit adesha, it will replace the entire sthani, sarvasya adesha, right?
Yes.
That's what I have written. Pala plus just. Just will be replaced by she. And after that, this is Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Therefore, Numma comes and Upada Dirghotam happens, which sutra we don't know, we have not seen. We will see later. Then Palani you get. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, another example. This is one Abhyaya example. Idamo ha, one sutram is that. Idamaha, idam shabda, we know, right? Idam shabda.
Yes.
Makarantaha. In all the gender we have. Makarantaha, Pullingaha, Shailingaha, Napumsakalinga. Now this sutra says, Idam Shabda will be replaced by aha. Okay, ha will be replaced by ha. Content is ha. Okay. When does it happen? It happens in the sense of Saptami Vibhakti. Okay. We don't have to know all those things. We will see maybe a little later. This is because Tadita Pratyaya. This is Saptamyarte. Now I'll write here. What is Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam of Idam Shabda? Tell me. Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam of Idam Shabda. Asmin.
Asmin.
What is Asmin? Asmin is equal to Idam plus Ni, right?
Yes.
What is Ni Saptami? 7-1, right? Idam plus Ni. Now, this Idam plus Ni, what I am doing, it is Idam plus Ni, right? Idam plus Ni. That Idam plus Ni, Saptamyarte, right? Saptamyarte, Idam Shabda will be replaced by this rule Ha. Idam Shabda will be replaced by Ha. This is what the sutra says. Asmin is equal to Idam plus Ni. Then what happens? Saptamyarte, we have a rule. Idam plus Ni. Sorry, Asmin, yeah. Idam plus Ni plus when Ha. This is, I think, Idamo Ha. The rule is, this is Idam Shabda, I think, Idam Shabda when followed by Idamaha, Aha, and the Adesha is Idam Shabda will be replaced. Yes. Just a minute. Panchamyarte, therefore, Idamaha Aha is Rag Dishya, Tadita. Idam Shabda se Saptami Vivaktiyantat Swarte. Idam Shabda is Sarvanama Shabda. Okay. Saptamyarte, it will be replaced by Ha. Okay, this another sutra is involved. That's what I was thinking. Okay, this example you may not able to understand. Okay, anyway. Okay. I think this example we may not able to understand now. So I reserve it for the later class.
Okay.
This is a Tadita. That's why we need not have. I will add more examples later. But here also we have one this. You may not able to understand this example because this is tadita. I need to tell something more. Idam plus a. After that, idam will be replaced by one rule is there. Here only that rule is there. Um, I, maybe I tell you. Then we have e plus a. So now this is asmin. Asmin is equal to idam plus ni. Idam aha is the pratyaya. This is a pratyaya. A is not one adesha. Ha is a pratyaya. Okay, this is 5-3. We know third chapter, fourth chapter, fifth chapter deals with the pratyas. So this pratyaya comes after the idam shabda in saptami arte. Saptami, that is why asmin. Here we have anuvritti of saptami arte. One anuvritti is a saptami arte. Saptam arte. Saptami artha of idam shabda is idam plus ni. Then pratyaya is should be added. Now, when you add, after that, what will happen? The next step is this pratyaya will go away because the whole thing is going to be the pratipadikam, noun base, and therefore inside the pratipadikam, all the supratyaya will go away. Therefore, you will have idam plus a. And after that, what will happen? We have a sutram where the sutra is idamaha ish. This is what the sutram we are required. This idam ish is, idam will be replaced by ish. Now what adesha is this? Ish. Shit adesha. Therefore, sarvasya stha. The entire idam is replaced by the shit adesha. Ekala adesha. Ekala adesha generally what it will do? Ekala adesha antyasya sthane. Because it is a shit adesha, therefore replace the entire sthani. Entire idam is replaced by e. That is why you get iha. Iha is avyam. This is how the iha avyam is derived. Idam shabda will be replaced by ish. That's by a rule 533. And this saptamyarthe, in the sense of seventh case, ha pratyaya will be added to the idam shabda. So when you add idam plus ha will be there. Then we have this sutra. Idam will be replaced by ish. The content is this is the ekal adesha. Being ekal adesha, it should replace the last letter, but shitvat, therefore it will replace the entire sthani. This is a good example. Anekal shit sarvasya. Understand?
Yes.
So this you may not understand the background, all those things, but this part you can understand. That is what is important. So whenever I get such thing, I add it here as example. So that's why you see a lot of examples here, but not all examples you can understand. Similarly, another example is there. Tirasatya Lope, I think this is not required, but the context comes, probably you will understand this. You can add so many examples because many places we have such examples. So I have given an Aneshit example, Jasasha Hoshihi, this you can follow. And this also, Idamaha Isha also you can follow Shit example. Ekal Adesha, because it is Shit, Sarvasya Sthane Bhavati. And Anekala Adesha examples and all, this is a good example. Anekala Adesha, Sarvasya Sthane. Agit, therefore Sarvasya Sthane. Understand?
Yes.
Very good. And here, really, okay, Shitta Adesha also is separately given. Anyway, these are all Shitta Adesha only. But again, Shitta Adesha, further example, and some more Shitta Adeshas. These are also Shit only, right? Idamaha is Shitta Adesha. This also I can cut and put it there. Here also Shitta Adesha. But anyway, some more examples. Shitta Adesha example. So Idamaha ish, this is what I said. That's a rule. Idamaha ish is Idam will be replaced by ish. When a vibhakti pratyaya follows, tasil is a pratyaya. When tasil pratyaya follows, idam will be replaced by ish. It's a rule. Now idam is idama saptami vibhakti. Idam is anekal sthani. Now ish is ekal adesha. Ekaladesha antyasya sthane, because it is shit, therefore idam is replaced by e, sarvasya sthane. Then you get itas, itas become itaha. This is avyayam. So this example, what we saw before, that also, I think I can cut and paste, put it there. This is also shit example. Maybe third one, I will put it there. Third example. Understand?
Yes.
The next example, ashtabhyaha aush. This also we may not understand, but anyway, ashtan plus just pratyaya follows. Now, ashtabhyaha aush. Aush is what? Shakara is?
It
Letter.
it's
So, because it is ekaladesha, ekaladesha, you should replace the ashtan shabda last letter nakara. But because it is a shit, the entire will be replaced.
yes.
Sorry, not the um, the ashtat, the pratyaya you're talking about. Okay, not this shabda, the pratyaya. Aush is a pratyaya.
Yes.
Adesha for the pratyaya, not for the ashtan.
Yes.
Okay, ashtan, that nakara is replaced by akara by some other rule, which we are not interested. We are interested only this au. Just is the adesha, which is anekala adesha, which is replaced by the shit, the adesh, just is the anekal sthani. Sorry, Shamita. Just is the anekal sthani. It is replaced by the adesha au aush, which is ekal adesha. Being ekal adesha, it should replace the last letter, but it is shit. Therefore, it will replace the entire sthani just. So therefore, you get au. Please note. There's nothing to do with this a. This a is nakara of ashtan replaced by a by some other rule which we are not interested. This is unnecessary for us, that information. That is why not given. So we need to know just pratyaya, which is anekal, is replaced by ekal adesha au. Therefore, you get ashtau. Understand?
Yes.
So many examples. We can give a lot of examples like that, but these examples I think are sufficient, and more when we come across, we can do. So all these are examples for anekal and shit adeshanas. Right?
Yes.
So this is paribhasha. Okay. This another example, ato bisaha is, this I will explain after we complete the paribhasha adehe parasya. Then this will become clear. Okay. That we will see later. This third example we will see later after adehe parasya. Is it clear? This two sutras, paribhashas?
Yes.
Okay. Any doubts?
No.
Okay, I think we'll stop here. Another two just go through this, understand this clearly. Another two paribhasha, we will see next class. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow we will meet for our class, Samskrita class. Okay.
Okay.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Is it Adesh? Is it clear? Paribhasha? Two paribhashas?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.